In this circuit we have a dependent voltage source which is depending on the voltage Vx. We can see that this is VC voltage control voltage source VCVS. So we will learn how can we implement this circuit. How can we add dependent sources in LT Spice, and we try to simulate it. Let's start. First I make the circuit and then I will choose their values. Now we have to find the voltage source, dependent voltage source. For a voltage source, simply try E, or we have two options here. First one is E and E2, just that there is a difference of polarity, so we can choose anyone. So I choose E, and we can see the label, it is voltage dependent voltage source, so it is our case. And what we have to do, we have to place like this, because we can see the polarity in circular sign. We see that +1, this is our main polarity, and these two terminals are for those terminals in which they are dependent. For example, in our case, this is dependent on R3, voltage across R3, so we simply connect it with R. Okay, in this case what we have to do, we have to write the coefficient here. For example, in our case we have the coefficient 2Vx, so we simply write 2 here, and this 2 is dependent on the voltage across R2. So our circuit is complete. Let's run the circuit. Choose 1. So we can see that we have the voltage of 4.16, around 4.16.